Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now it's a boy Chiny K. Tonight adventure are gonna be an intense one. We are gonna shoot some bird. We call him partridge. We have to go in a scary haunted bush. Man, watch her. I show you. Never go in a certain bush by yourself, especially in a Portland bush. Cause you have some ghosts, some female ghosts. You will see them in the night and then chant you. And what? You are going to follow them. A ghost in it, but they look real, pretty and white. And them are last you in the bush and you are going dead. But tonight we are going to look some bird. So we are going to enter in some deep, dark bush. Showing you the action, so stay tuned. So this is the habitat. We are looking to the species of bird we are on. They sleep low. Deep. So we have landed this, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, when are your birthday? Monday?
Yeah, Monday.
So we are looking to a bird, so we can cook a bad soup. Yeah, man. We soon book two still. I'm not going to speak up our first bird, but it's a little species of bird, so we are going to leave that one there alone. See me? Yeah, man. So about probably 30 minutes of walking to find our first bird. So what? I first time him a go in the bush, you know. You see me? First time, so I'm gonna give me Anna to shoot the first one. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright. In the right up this way. Up this way. Ready? Oh, come on. Take your time, go on up there. Take it up. In the panel in there. Look where you like it. See this, eh? Go on, go on. Look now. Look. You know look where you like me. Hey man, I love I can see it.
Yeah, man, we see it. Yeah.
See me? I'm sure people.
Yeah, me see it.
See me? See me, sir? You see now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Get up here. Do it. Go on. Do it. Yeah, see him? Alright. Go on. Yeah, man. You missed that? We fly away, you know?
You can't miss that dog. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Go on, go take him. Go on, go take him. See him, man, I love you. You see? Take him, man. You see?
Yeah, man.
Hold him in, let me see him. Nice. First one.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
You never see me no kanga?
Eh?
You feel like God.
Alright. See if we can find a couple more now. How are these guys? Oh my, see it? Tie up this one. Oh, we shall not play something now. Man, you have to have your phone in every time in the bush. Man, never left your compass when you go in the bush. You can know your direction. See it? We are go so right this way. The tower. See that? 30. Who that? Look a bird.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my mommy, so we're not trouble. Would I never trouble that one? Never. So we are about 1 hour thinking, nah see bird them. The reason why partridge not like when they time hot, in a bush hot. When the time hot, then sleep high up in a tree them. The best time for them are when the time cold and then sleep low, so I not see them. So we're gonna call it a night. The spot where we previously planned to go. A 3 hour and go. One of our teammate there not available. So end up at 2 hours. So we are gonna go back in the bush but a different spot. See it? That spot there me no know is. Me never go there. Me never catch no bird up there, so me can't just jump and go up there, so go say me I go hunt bird. Next teammate now, him know a bush. So that bush I'm sure partridge full in that the bush there. So that bush we are go next time. See it? So yeah man, we are gonna head out now. So catch you guys tomorrow. So this is the next day. This is the reason why you're not seeing any videos out at sea, because for the last 5 days now, this is what happened. A lot of rough weather, so be patient with me. The weather soon get good. Today is actually the 2nd of March, which the crazy barracuda season just begun. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe for the epic adventure.